Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create flyers on Canva. So we are on Canva right here. I actually show you how you can actually create your logo. I'm very sorry about the dog barking on the ground. It's actually my neighbor's dog. I don't know what's wrong with the dog. Like seriously. So forget about that. Yeah. So I'm going to be showing you today how you can actually create flyers. I actually create flyers also, and that is actually just one of my side jobs apart from YouTube. You understand? It's just for like small change. You understand? If anybody wants to use that, so you can actually create flyers on Canva also. So I'm going to be showing the tutorial on how you can actually do that. It's so simple, and I'm going to walk you through that. Canva has a lot of templates where you can actually get enough things to be done on it. If you missed my last video, which is how you can actually create logo on Canva, professional logo to be precise, then you can actually just check the description if the link is there, and if the link is actually not there, press there. It's actually a playlist. It's actually a playlist, so you can actually check my YouTube channel and check the playlist here. You're going to be seeing it there. You understand? It's actually going to help you a lot because I'm actually trying to like get the perfect tutorial for you guys on Canva. You understand? So that's it. So let's move into the flyer. You can actually like check all this part if you actually see how you understand. But if that's it, this is right. You can see, oh, it's actually moving. So this is it right here. So that, but I'm actually going to be clicking on flyers, understand, because I want to see a lot of templates on flyers. So I'm going to be playing flyers, you understand. So by the way, this design is what we're actually going to be creating, you understand, this particular on the screen. That's what we're actually going to be creating, and you guys should expect that, you understand. So that's it. So okay, so there's a lot of flyers, you understand, a lot of flyers right here which actually use, it doesn't actually load up completely, or I'm still waiting for this low network to load up first. So yeah, so see a lot. So it depends on you, but to me, we're actually creating a design um on a real estate. You understand? So let's move into it. So right here we want to customize this. So right now you can see this is actually what it's brought up. So if you want to zoom in, you can actually click on this, then increase it to this side. You understand? So that's actually, so now the design we actually want to do is Hope Real Estate. So we're actually going to change this, you understand, to Hope instead. Yes, sorry about that. I'm very sorry about the dog on the instant. It's actually so bad. So hope you understand. So as Hope Real Estate, I can actually put management though, but it actually needs to be actually I'm trying to move this upward. You understand? You just need to like, if you follow the last tutorial I actually told you, you can click on it and just try and press the arrow key in your on your keyboard, you understand. So I can actually add a text. I want to put management, or just copy this and paste it, you understand, and make it very instead, because I don't really want to start looking for, oh, that's actually too much. I don't want to start looking for fonts, you understand. So you can size it down to this little one right there, then that's cool. I think um let's bring it up a little bit. I think this better, right? Let's make this one up also. I think this better. So Hope Real Estate Management if for sale, you understand? And I can actually like change this maybe yeah. It's actually this this type to be precise because I don't want to use another one. So let's say real estate management you understand? So I'm going to increase this, and if you want to like change this the alignment, you understand, just like this. I think it should change that way. It's right, it didn't. So let's check it out again. Yeah, changed already. So we can increase it so that the T is actually better that way. So we want to move this to the sides because of the picture, the writing is not showing very well than usual. Now it's actually better that way. Then you can actually shift it also. You're going to be seeing this line that is actually aligned to the right. That's the center, you understand? So you put it there. And this is actually not up if you can check it well. Yeah, that's up. Of real estate management, you understand? See for sale. So this is actually the house. You can start typing maybe the properties. Let's say master bedroom. It consists of master bedroom, all these ones. And then we want to like change this to the numbers you want to 92568. You understand? Let's do it a very good way. Let's put a plus. I'm gonna put a plus there. See plus 12394 instant 464 9887. So that's actually how it's gonna look like. So let's say op property for the op property at gmail.com. So you can actually like start from the scratch. Yeah, you mean you can actually start from scratch trying to pile up maybe pictures, and it's actually very fucking easy if you want to do that also. So let's say the 20% is actually too much for me. So we're gonna put it that way. And this will love money. So let's put it that way also. So yeah, you see, this is actually like a better one to be precise. So I want to shift the spacing. I want it to look more perfect and shift it up a little bit. So line spacing, that's this line right here. So that's it, and I want it to be bold enough for people to actually see it. So I think it's better this way. You can actually nobody will see this and won't actually love them how it actually looks like, to be precise. No, you can actually like change everything. You understand? If you don't want it to be like this, you actually like maneuver everything. Maybe you want this flyer to be like let's say you are a fashion designer, you sell clothes, or yeah, you sell clothes, you understand? Instead of putting this house picture, you can actually put a lot of clothes right here, you understand? Just download it, go to Splash or Pixabay, you understand? for all this free website where you can get loads of photos for free. Then you're actually going to download all these pictures, put the picture here, put clothes, maybe a guy's clothes right here, a girl's clothes right here, and maybe shoes, you understand? So right here you can actually like put it this way there. Things you sell, let's say um, um let's say what we sell, you understand, or sales, or what we are into, you understand. Then you can actually like put loads of what we sell right here. Then you can actually clear this off. Is actually not necessary. You put your logo right here, then you write your name right here, and you click the for sale. Probably you can actually reduce the size and start writing something that actually attracts customer. All this page that maybe we are at your service, we want all the best for you. You understand all this pitch, you understand. Then probably if it is time for discount, you can actually put it this way. But if it is not time for discount, probably you can actually put a fine boy right here, or a fine girl, or if someone wearing your clothes smiling, you understand. It's just very easy that way. So that's how I was actually, I explained it very easy for you to do that. Instead, I actually explained it in a very good way. So if you love what I actually did just now, just click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos. You understand? And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to delete them, you don't want to delete. If you want to delete like this, you don't want to delete the frame. You want to delete the image. You understand? The image, not the frame. The frame is actually going to delete this. Then the picture right here is actually going to be there. You understand? Like the frame is what makes it circle. You understand? The frame. I'm going to be showing you the frame right here. The frame is right here. So that helps if you want to start from scratch. You understand? It's actually helps a lot. So it helps to contain the picture. You understand? So it's actually the frame is actually going to take the pictures stuff. So there's actually logos you can actually use bar if you don't have the ones you need to use. You understand? And these are for us where you can actually use. You understand? That's actually better also. So I'm looking for the frame. So this is actually the frame. So if you choose this particular frame, is actually going to be kind of plumpy like that. Choose this one, it's going to take the shape of this one. So that's how it actually looks like. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't ever forget to subscribe if you love this stuff I'm actually teaching you. And wait till the next video. I'm